Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can reset all the settings of your Google Chrome. Now, if you have any issues with your Google Chrome, you can simply try to reset the settings. Let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then, click on the three vertical dots, hit Settings. Under Settings, you can see the Reset Settings tab. Click on the Reset Settings tab. Now, you see the single option restore settings to their original defaults. Just click on it, and this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable all the extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. Although your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. Now, if you want to continue, press the reset setting button, and it's done. All of the settings are restored. Now you see how easy it is. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.